Walk the line with this 5-minute barre session that will help you improve your balance from heel to toe. All in just 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Let's get started.
Today we will challenge our balance with some floor work. You'll only need a chair or a sturdy piece of furniture. Let's get started. Come up onto your knees so that you can take 2 fingers to your chair. And if it bothers you to be up on your knees, you can fold your mat in half or maybe get a blanket or a towel that's folded to put underneath those knees to give yourself some extra cushioning. Step that left foot forward, hips are squared, and the ankle is underneath the knee here. Take your eye gaze forward and slowly begin to extend one arm. Now find this connection here, find the inner thighs firing and your pelvic floor engaging. Holding here, see if you can extend the opposite arm. If that's not for you, you can always keep those 2 fingers on. You might feel a little wobbly. Take the hand back to the chair, lower the left leg, and let's do the other side. Stepping forward, square up those hips, extending the arm and hold. The glutes should be engaged, that back foot flat against your mat. And see if you can't release your chair, finding those inner thighs, pelvic floor. Nice, tall, pretty posture. And bring the hand back down. You can use that chair to help you come up to a standing position and bring your 2 fingers back onto your chair. I'm going to begin with my right foot that's closest to the chair behind the left foot. So I'm standing toe to heel. Hips are squared and I'm standing up nice and tall. I want to avoid locking my knees, but I'm finding that inner thigh squeeze. Find a focal point in front of you, something to look at to help you stay focused in your hold, and extend one arm forward, reaching long through those fingertips, and begin to take it open and close, just a bit to the diagonal. This shouldn't have to be very big. And it's okay if your ankles feel wobbly, that's normal. This is a challenge. Good, now see if you can release the other arm and open and close both. Maintain your focal point, standing nice and tall without locking up those knees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those arms down, fingertips to the chair. Now keep softness in the knees and find a little lift of the heel and lower. Lift and lower. You can keep the hand at the hip or continue to take the arm long, whatever works for you. Let's do 4 more. 3, tiny, tiny lifts here. 2, 1, and lower. Turn it around to face the other way. Left foot is now behind the right. Softness in those knees, squeezing those inner thighs, standing nice and tall. Begin to hold here, 2 fingers on your chair. See if you can extend the arm forward. And take this to your open and close, just to the diagonal. You're doing great. These are tough. Now let's try and release your chair, extending the arm forward. Maintain that focal point. Find that connection to your inner thighs, to your core, the pelvic floor. Stay engaged here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those fingertips down. And now soften those knees. Find a little lift and lower. Lift, take one arm forward if you can. Lift, tiny, tiny lifts. Lift 5, 6, 7, 8, and lower. Good. Now take 2 fingers back to your chair and you can turn it around or stay on the same side. We're gonna just finish off here with taking some side steps. So stepping side to side, tracing the foot as you move side to side. If you want even more challenge, you can begin to lift one leg. You don't have to take it far off the floor, just moving side to side. Finding that focal point to help with your balance here. And as always, check in with that posture. To get further challenge, take one arm out. Keep going, we're almost finished. Standing nice and tall, you should feel those glutes engaging, pressing out of that floor. Almost there. And plant the feet, lower the arms, give it a shake. Great job. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.